I'm Maria Rowena Gomeri. I'm 39 years old, a mother of 4 children, and I'm an entrepreneur. My conditions before taking IGCO is that most of the time I'm very, very sluggish during the day. After I do my morning errands, I come home and I sleep for 4-5 hours. And it's made my mom very worried because I behave older than she does. And I easily get depressed and I easily get stressed as well. Then I was introduced to IGCO, Natural Colostrum Skim Milk. After taking it for 1 week, I started noticing a lot of difference in my overall health condition. I'm always up and about and I always have the energy of an 8-year-old. I don't sleep in the afternoon anymore and I last the whole day without getting stressed and without getting depressed. The benefit that I get from colostrum is that I can work better, I think better, and I can plan my day better. I get to spend quality time with my children, and I don't have to worry about stress and depression or sleeplessness at night. Thanks to IGCO. IGCO is the best.
Ako po si Melody Miss Pillarga at ang aking anak ay si Christine Joy. Mayroon pong pangyayaring nagaganap sa aking anak. May sakit po siya, sukat tae. Bago po siya uminom ng gatas ay may sakit siyang sukat tae na may kasamang dugo. Uminom ng IGCO ang aking anak na may sakit na nagsusuka at nagtatay ng dugo. At pagkatapos niyang uminom ay nag-react agad ang kanyang katawan at tumigil ang kanyang pagsusuka at pagtatain ng dugo at inilabas ang lahat ng dumi ng toxin or lason na nasa kanyang tiyan at pagkatapos ay natigil na lahat. Pagkatapos niyang uminom ng IGCO ay siya ay lumakas na, nawala na yung sakit ng kanyang tiyan at na tumatawa na siya, nakipaglaro na siya sa kanyang ina at sa akin. Naniwala ako sa IGCO dahil kanyang pinagaling ang karamdaman ng aking anak at ang IGCO ay aking inirecommend sa lahat at ang galing ng IGCO.
I am Jose Ramon Engolioso. Before I started using IGCO, I used to be stressed and depressed. At the same time, I was feeling stiffness on my shoulder and I am a hypertensive person. After using IGCO for the first time, after taking 1 sachet, after an hour, I started perspiring a lot. And in the morning, I was able to observe that I had a good waste disposal. After taking IGCO constantly, what I observed was during my time of depression and so stressed, I was able to sleep soundly in the evening. Second, my stamina has improved. Third, my waste elimination has improved a lot, but much more so, the stiffness on my shoulder has lightened up. IGCO is the best.
Hi, I'm Annery Toledo Reyes and I'm a dentist by profession and a professional singer. Before I started taking SNI IgG, I was very much in a struggle with sleeping. I'm insomniac and lack energy, and I'm very hot-headed. I lose my patience very, very easily, and I don't feel good in the morning, and that's basically it. I'm not that healthy. After taking SNI IGCO, my energy went through the roof. Very early in the morning, I don't feel any aches in the body. I feel great. I feel energetic. And surprisingly, when I took the product the night before I go to sleep, I slept like a baby. And it was an early sleep for that matter. I used to really sleep like about 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, but now I was able to sleep like about 10, 11 o'clock in the evening. That for me is a bonus, definitely a bonus. And I'm always happy, I'm always jolly and energetic, as I may say it again. And Sinai IG ko is best.
I am Dr. Edgardo Toledo. I am a diabetic since 2-3 years ago. I feel very, very weak. Sometimes I cannot climb the stairs of the LRT. I have to hold the rails. After I took up IG, I was able to carry the bag I'm carrying now, and I can run on the stairs of LRT without feeling any heaviness. My body pains disappear, and I don't need any massage anymore. That was more than two months since I took up this product. I'm very happy with it. With IGCO, I can now enjoy walking briskly, carrying heavy load. I can even practice this spiral bar, which I cannot do before. Now I feel healthy, I feel strong, and I can say that IGCO is the best.